guys. It was Princess. Welcome to Robel. Okay, guess. Sino Princess? What's your guess? What's your guess? Maybe who? Guess first. What's your guess?
Guess mo.
Sino ang guess ni Robel na Princess? Maybe... nakasarado pa nga pala. Alam ko na naglag. It's so nice. Show mo. Wow, tama. Okay, niya sa tita. Oh, tita. Wow, it's Ariel!
Neng, Pakita mo.
Tita, papakita niya sa'yo. Wow, who is that? Tell mo. It's Ariel. Wow, so pretty. Tama. Yabi, are you happy?
Yeah.
Ang ganda dahil. This one is so nice.
Oh my God.
Tama. Yabi, are you happy? Okay, I'm gonna open. Okay,
Pakita mo.
Sana maganda din yung isa. Wait lang, mamaya. Baka mawala. Flounders.
Si Flounder.
Naku, na-shoot na agad sa ilalim.
Ang liit naman ni Flounder. Okay.
Are you happy? What's the next? Guess, wait. Guess first. What's your next guess?
Guess.
Which princess? Maybe
Guess mo.
Maybe Princess what? Princess who? My guess is Be.
Sino to? Si Mulan?
I'm not sure. Check.
Wow!
Mulan! Wow, so nice. Buti magkakaiba.
Yes!
Kita. Oh. It's Mulan! It's Mulan! Show mo ito. Show mo. Show, dali. Wow!
Sama.
Ala, ganda! Hi, Mulan! Wow, nice! Magkakaiba. Ang galing. Open dragon. Okay.
Ito kaya maganda eh.
Ay, ka pala.
Flounder.
Here. Oh, ang ganda na yung pearl.
4 na.
Nice.
Ilan pa?
Yan pa to sa likod.
Ito pa. 1, 2, 3,
4. Yan, tsaka itong giyan.
5. Ang ganda ni Ariel.
Ito, beautiful. Show your two princess. Wow, beautiful! Wow, nice. Who's that? Mulan and? Wow. Are you happy? It's check. Okay. Wow, nice. Show. Wow, is it beautiful? Wow. Are you happy? So cool. Ask mo si Yabi. Yabi, are you happy?
Yeah.
Oh no, where's Flounder? Thank you.
Cute pa natin yan eh, Ariel.
Ang ganda.
Dinosaur.
Play game? What's your game? Show your hair. Nice. Sama kay Yabi. Wow. Nice, right?
Wait lang.
Wow. Say bye to the vlog. Bye, guys. Like, subscribe. Bye. Flying kiss.